Makeup tutorial for beginners. First, face primer to prime the face. Next is foundation. Concealer to conceal and highlight. Another brighter shade of that the same concealer to brighten up the under eye. Cream bronzer for the cheek and the nose. Cream blush. Pressed powder to set the highlights. Darker shade of that the same pressed powder to set the cream bronzer. Powder blush to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder to bake. And for eyeshadow fallouts, contour the nose with a pressed powder. Dust off the other ones, then leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallouts. Brows. Concealer to clean and define the brows. Then eyes. A reddish brown shade for the crease. To the brow bone. And all over the eyelid. Just one shade of eyeshadow for all over the eye. Blend the edges. Use a darker shade for the outer crease. Blend it in. A good eyeliner pen for the waterline. Then that's the same eyeshadow on the eyelid for the lower lash line. Black eyeliner to line the eyes. Mascara. False lashes. Dust off the eyeshadow fallout. The powder. Blend everything together. Highlighter to highlight the face. And a little bit for the tear dot area to brighten up the eyes. Then lips, a red lip stain for the lips. And this is the finished look.